In this video, I want to talk about how you can add money on Trading 212. Now, first of all, you need to verify your account. So you can see I'm on an unverified account right now. So you need to set up your account, verify your identity. This is usually with passport or your ID or something. And then you can add funds. Now, once you've done this, there will be many different places where you can add funds. There will be a deposit button here. There will be a deposit button if you go to the settings here at the bottom. Also in here, you can click on manage funds and there will also be a place where you can deposit. If you click on any of these and open them, you will be able to deposit in here as well. So depositing is very easy as long as you have set up your account. And there will be many different places where you can deposit, plus icon, it will even say add funds, everywhere you want to do it. If you go on any of these as well and you press buy, you will also be able to add funds. So it's really easy to add it. You just need to make sure your account is verified first. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.